Welcome back once again. In our previous tutorial, we design our insert job post layout, and in this part, we need to cast all these input fields for our insert job post layout. So go to this insert job post activity. So private. First, we need to add toolbar. So private toolbar, and connect this toolbar. So toolbar is equal to find view by id r.id. Insert job toolbar and set support action bar is going to be toolbar, and we need to add before widget toolbar, not widget toolbar. So now we can import it. So import v4 with v7 widget toolbar. All right. Now get support action bar dot set title. Get support action bar dot set title is going to be post job. Now first we need to add our edit text. So private edit text, private edit text job title, private edit text job description, private edit text job skills, private edit text job salary, and private button, and we can choose btn post job. All right. So now create a new method, private void, and call it insert job. So job title is equal to find view by id r.id. Job title, job description is equal to find view by id r.id. Job description, job skills is equal to find view by id r.id. Job skills, now job salary is equal to find view by id r.id. We need to add a job salary. So job salary. All right. Now I think we need to add set on and we need to connect our button. So btn post job is equal to find view by id r.id. btn job post. Now btn post job dot set on click listener, new on click listener. All right, so we connect all this field and we need to call this method inside our onCreate method. So we connect all these required field and we added a set on click listener for our button. So that's it for this part.